So, hello. Jesus Christ. Hello, boys and girls. Q here. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I had a long motorcycle ride today. Took, geez, all day long, really. A couple hours out, a couple hours back. And it was a lot. Took the big BMW R18 because I figured that'd be the most comfortable. Plus, I was testing out a new little windshield on it. And it was a good ride, but boy, that's a lot for me. 4 hours in the saddle. That's a full day. So one topic I wanted to discuss was this idea of your grip on the handlebars. And I don't know if you've ever seen this. I certainly have, where you're riding with people and you see them sitting on the bike in front of you going down the road, and they'll take their hand off the handlebar, especially the throttle hand, and you'll see them kind of shake their hand. If they have cruise control, you can do that easily. If you don't have cruise control, you just grab the clutch so that the bike free rolls and you just kind of shake your hand. So you see people, their hands getting very achy. I have the same problem. And working on that problem, I started experimenting with a very loose grip on the handlebars. And actually, kind of a loose, fluid grip is what you want when you're off-roading on sand or gravel. You want the gyroscope effect of the wheels to keep you up. You don't have to keep that bike up by wrestling with that handlebar. You can kind of let that handlebar go. And it's the same thing on the road. I've been going through, fast corners, and I find if I'm tense on the handlebar, I might be steering. I might be, basically sawing the rubber off the tire, trying to steer around a corner instead of having a loose grip. And then you can feel, oh, the bike isn't tilted enough to go around this corner. So you lean more and you let that bike do its natural carve, which has to do with the way the centers of the wheels sit on the road, whether, the wheels are straight or bent. It changed. Anyway, it's a curve. And I've started to experiment with going around corners with this very light touch on the handlebars. And first of all, it's the quickest way to go. Second of all, I know I'm doing the least damage to my tires, especially the front tire. And also, it relieves fatigue. Now, do not get on your motorcycle and let go of the handlebars and then come try to sue me, okay? Because first of all, I'm not telling you to do anything. And secondly, I have no money, so there's no point in suing me. So, be safe, use your head, right? I mean, don't let go of your handlebars. You ride your motorcycle. But what you might want to do is you might want to experiment with loosening that grip up a little bit and getting a little bit more of a feel for the bike as it goes through the corners and how much lean angle you need to carve. Do it safely. Take care of yourself. But I just thought I'd share these thoughts. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.